Hey loves, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I am Kara and this is 12 Days of Vlogmas with Kara. And today's video is a hair tutorial, I guess. Kinda, not really. I barely even knew what I was doing myself, but I am giving myself a quick leave. So yeah, it was fun. Right now I am just sectioning off my leave out, and then my mom is actually gonna come and braid my hair down for me. But yeah, I'm just sectioning off my leave out, and when I tell y'all them parts was crisp, like my leave out parts, oh my god, I've never been prouder of myself. Like, yeah, I did that. So yes, hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and I'll come back and update you guys when something new is happening. So my mom finished my braid down, and right now I'm just tucking my hair underneath the stocking cap. I did end up putting on 2 stocking caps, and then I put on the protective shield. I don't know if it's not a glue, but the protective shield, I put it on, I put it around my leave out and on top of my braids where the glue was gonna go, and I blow dried it, and then I also put some holding spray, some Got2b on top of it as well, and then I blow dried that, and then I started laying the tracks. But this is just me putting down the protective shield and blow drying my hair. So I finished putting on the protective layer, and now I'm just going in with the packs of hair. I did end up picking up 2 different packs because I realized they didn't have the 27 and the pink pack, so I had to get it in the blue pack. That was on purpose. What was not on purpose was me picking up the color 2 instead of the color 1. So the bottom pack, the bottom lefts of my head, like the bottom brown, are a 2, and then in the middle is a 27, and then at the top it's a 1. So loves, I have finished laying all of the tracks, and now I am just cutting off the excess cap. Just going around and doing that. Now some parts of it is cut out because I just could not see like certain areas of my head with the way I was set up in front of the mirror. But yeah, I just went ahead and cut off the excess cap. I don't have a clip of me flat ironing my hair after I took off the excess cap, but I do have clips of what I look like with my, I guess, the finished product, I guess you could say. Now my hair typically does not look like this right after I flat iron it. I had just finished like a whole model shoot with like lights beaming on me, so it's kind of frizzy, but the way I combat like the frizziness from like even starting, I just put a little wax on my ends and I brush it down, and it typically like lays it. So that's pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I will see you lovely babes tomorrow. Bye.